Hello everyone, this is Manoj and welcome back to the ReactJS series. In this video, we will learn about forwarding refs. Forwarding refs allow us to pass a ref to the child component. Let's start with an example and see how it works. So in the component folder, let's create a functional component first. So let's say fr input.js import react from react const fr input and simply return. And in this, let's use one input and input text, save. Now, again in the component folder, let's create one class component. So, fr class component dot js import react from react class fr class component extends react dot component and create constructor props and then call super props and simply create a input ref. So this dot input ref is equal to react dot create ref. So we have created our ref. Render in the return method, simply use our div and import our input method. So input fr input. Again, I forgot to export this. So export default fr input fr input and also use a button. So button get input, save. Now in the functional component, we will use our ref as a prop. So here I'm going to change my functional component with forward ref. So react dot forward ref and this will take props and ref value as parameter. And here we can give our ref property as ref, which we are getting from the parameters. All right, let's save this. Now go back to our functional component, sorry, class component. Let me export this. So export default fr class component, save button. We have to give a click handler. So on click, this dot click handler, and we have to give define this click handler. So this dot input ref dot current dot focus small f. So let's save and here we have to pass our ref as prop. So this dot input ref, save, go back to app.js. We have to import this. So import fr component, which is our class component, and simply use it inside this return, save, go back to browser. As of now, there is no focus. When I click on it, you see our child component gets focus. How we have achieved this? Basically, from the class component, we are passing this ref on this click event of this button. We have created one ref, and through this event handler, we are passing our focus, and in this input ref, which is our ref, we are passing the same as props, and inside the functional component we are receiving this ref from props. And if you see this, we have used react.forward ref, means we have simply forwarded one ref from parent to child. All right, again, this you will rarely use in your projects, but it's good to have an idea how it works. All right, so now I hope you have a clear idea about forwarding refs in React.js, and that's all about this video. In the next video, I will talk about React portals. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.